chronic pain, limited mobility, lingering injuries. Most people treat the symptoms, not the source. But what if the real issue lies in your muscles? Welcome to Holistic Muscle Rehabilitation, or HMR, a breakthrough approach that helps your body heal from the inside out. The HMR method is a revolutionary muscle therapy developed by Alessandro Souza. Build on the foundation laid by Grinner, author of What's Really Wrong with You, and Bronk, founder of the Advanced Muscle Reconditioning Technique and author of Advanced Muscle Reconditioning. Unlike traditional deep tissue massage, which relies on heavy pressure, HMR uses a precise, gentle, and effective technique, using the tip of the finger, applying just the right angle, pressure, and stroke, most often against the muscle fibers. This subtle approach prevents unnecessary tension and leads to a more effective release of tight or injured tissue. HMR works by releasing built-up lactic acid, breaking down restrictive connective tissue, improving circulation, and most importantly, correcting muscular imbalances. Because when muscles are tight or weak, they pull your body out of its natural rhythm. That's when pain shows up. That's when movement becomes limited. The HMR method doesn't stop at symptoms. It looks for the root cause. It retrains your muscles to work in harmony, restoring your body's natural balance and function. While conventional therapies often focus on joints, discs, or nerves, HMR recognizes that many chronic pain conditions are actually rooted in muscle dysfunction. By treating this foundational issue, HMR not only relieves pain, it activates your body's natural healing capacity so you can move again, freely, and pain-free. Let's break down the 5 key principles of the HMR method. 1. Precision over pressure. HMR uses strategic, controlled strokes that target specific fibers without the need for intense pressure. 2. Targeted stroke technique. Forget the back-and-forth massage motion. HMR uses single-direction, intentional strokes, usually against the grain of the muscle. 3. Layered muscle treatment. Muscles are layered. HMR works with each one layer at a time, for a deep but non-invasive release. 4. Addressing chronic pain at the source. HMR doesn't chase symptoms. It goes straight to the dysfunction in the muscle that's causing them. 5. Rebalancing movements. Through mobility and strengthening exercises, HMR helps muscles relearn how to move together correctly. The result? A muscular system in harmony. Pain fades, function returns, and the body begins to heal naturally. Holistic muscle rehabilitation isn't just therapy. It's a whole new way to look at healing. And it might just be the solution you've been looking for.